Sometimes, love doesn't need big words. A small reaction, a gentle question, or a quiet concern can say everything. During this Christmas season, Freen Becky showed fans that kind of love in the simplest yet most touching way. When Freen coughed, Becky's instinctive concern immediately followed. A soft question, a caring look, and suddenly, fans felt warmth that words couldn't fully explain. That moment alone became unforgettable. The moment Freen showed discomfort, Becky responded without hesitation. It wasn't dramatic or planned, just pure, natural care that revealed how deeply she worries about Freen. This wasn't something staged for the camera. Becky's reaction felt genuine, effortless, and honest. That sincerity made fans feel emotionally connected in an instant. Their Christmas setup carried a romantic atmosphere so strong that fans joked it felt like a wedding. Everything about the moment reflected warmth, love, and quiet happiness. Freen and Becky didn't keep that happiness to themselves. They shared smiles, warmth, and festive energy with fans, turning Christmas into a memory everyone could feel part of. From taking photos for each other to capturing couple selfies, every interaction showed balance and mutual care. Nothing felt forced, just two people comfortable in each other's presence. One cough, one gentle question, and fans saw what real affection looks like. Love reveals itself most clearly in the smallest, most unguarded moments. This is why fans can't look away. Freen and Becky don't need loud declarations. Their love is shown through quiet concern, natural gestures, and sincere connection, then that makes everything feel real. As the moment slowly faded, Becky's concern still lingered. Even a small cough was enough to catch her attention, reminding everyone that her care for Freen never switches off. It was quiet, instinctive, and deeply sincere, the kind of care that doesn't need to be spoken aloud. And maybe that's what love looks like in its purest form. Not in grand gestures, but in worry that appears without thinking. One cough, one gentle concern, and fans were left with a feeling that stayed long after Christmas ended.